Hello dear friends, in this video I am going to share with you how easily you can check the answer sheets submitted by students as an assignment in the Google Classroom. So what you have to do is, first you need to have a Classroom application in your mobile. So click on that and you can see that students, when they submit the assignment, it comes in the section handed in. So you can see that 29 students have handed in and 10 assigned means 10 students have yet to submit their assignment, and 1 returned means 1 copy has been checked and given back to the child. Now I am going to share with you the process of checking the assignment or the answer sheet submitted by the child. So what you have to do is, if you are checking the answer sheets or the assignment sheets from the mobile, then click on the handed in, and then you can see there is a PDF file which has been uploaded by the child. Click on that, and then on the top I am taking your attention now to this pencil icon. Can you see this pencil icon? Yes. Click on this pencil icon, and at the bottom you can see you can have different colored pencils. So this is a very nice application. So you can have pencil color of different colors. So let us start with red. So you can see this is right. You can expand this because it's a smartphone, and you know, in a smartphone this feature is very good. It's touch screen. Okay, click on the pencil and then check. Okay, this is right, this is right. Give the marks, and then I am now taking your attention to how to go to the next page. Can you see this arrow button? Yes, this, when you click on this arrow button, it will take you to the next page. Easy. And can you see the left arrow button here? When you click on this button, you will go back to the previous page. Very simple. So click on the arrow button, go to the next page, and then do the checking, give the marks. Very simple. If you want to write down something, you can circle and then you can write it's a spelling error or anything which you wish to. And if you don't want to write it, use this back arrow. Go to the next page, do the check-in, give marks. I am not happy with this writing, so go back. You can write it again, clear marks. And now, say for example, the paper is checked. Do the totaling. 4 plus 2, 6. Back arrow button. Plus 2, 8. Plus 4, 12. Plus 3, 15. Write down 15 out of 15. Put the initial. Very simple. Okay, now I am taking your attention to this 3 dots on the top. Click on the 3 dots, you will see save option. When you click on save, what will happen? The edited copy of the paper, the answer sheet, checked answer sheet, will be saved in the same space, same area where the child has uploaded the answer sheet. So you can see here now edited version is available. After that, you need to click on return if you want the copy to be returned to the child. Otherwise, what you are going to do is, once it is checked, you can note down the marks and then it will be saved in the draft. You can return it later also. So come back and it will be there with you. Say I am again clicking this, and you will see that edited copy is available. So you can return it when you wish to return that notebook or the answer sheet to the child. So this is how we can easily check the assignment or answer sheets submitted by the children in the Google Classroom when we are doing checking using the mobile. Thank you so much.